Yo guys, what's up? We're just gonna start by duplicating our clip. Search for flip plus flop in effects and presets and add that to our duplicated clip. Then we're gonna go ahead and use our text layer to write our watermark or our name, whatever you prefer. And then just adjust that using V on your keyboard or just clicking and dragging by selecting that layer. You can also turn on snapping temporarily just to make sure that it's in the center, and then turn it off again when you're done. Once you're happy with that, then you can go over and toggle your switch and mode just to make sure you've got that. Select Luma matte to your text layer, then select both layers by pressing shift and pre-compose your clips. Move all attributes to the new layer and just rename your pre-composition, then press OK. Then we're going to go ahead and add a bunch of effects. So the first one we're going to add is just glow. Pop that onto your pre-composition. The second one is going to be exposure. We're going to pop that on too. And then the last one is a drop shadow, and that's going to just sit behind as the colors of your edit change. Then I'm just going to make the glow threshold 50 and the glow radius 25. Then we're going to head on down to our exposure and change it to 1. And our drop shadow, this is completely up to you, but I like to have my opacity on 100 and my distance at 5. Then just play it back and make sure you like it. Another thing we can also do sometimes if colors are not changing on the watermark, just double click your pre-composition. You should be able to edit your video layer. Just press S to scale, and you might want to zoom into your edit. And you can also change the opacity of it. If it's a little bit too dark and it's taking away from your edit to about 70% opacity, that looks quite good as well, but it's completely up to you. Play that back again. And it should look a little bit more vibrant now because you've zoomed in a little bit, but just play around with it. And you're done. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!